Hi, welcome to Zimstake Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. This is our daily roundup. The Zimbabwean President E.D. Mnangagwa today sweared in the new Minister of Environment, Climate and Wildlife, Evelyn Ndlovu, and Minister of State for Matabeleland South Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Albert Nguluve. Former Zimbabwe Vice President Joyce Mujuru is today celebrating her 70th birthday. She served as a Vice President of Zimbabwe from 2004 to 2014. And in other news, Zimbabwean musician Jah Prayzah will on Saturday the 3rd of May 2025 launch his new album. The album, titled Ndini Mukudzei, is to be launched at Old Hararian Sports Club. Ruth Makandiwa will host this year's annual Ladies Camp meeting. The camp meeting will be marking 10 years of fellowship. In other news, it is exactly 3 days to Zimbabwe's 45th Independence Day celebrations. Sulumani Chimbetu, Mark Ngwazi, and many more will headline this year's Independence musical show to be held in the Midlands province. National Railways of Zimbabwe goods train ferrying coal from Hwange to Zambia caught fire earlier today at the Pandamatenga siding site, triggering an emergency response from local authorities. The train was carrying coal from Hwange and was en route to Zambia. Moreover, it is said that there were no injuries or fatalities. And finally, Zimbabwean comedian Madam Boss is turning 40 years tomorrow, the 16th of April 2025. Thank you for staying tuned once again. If you want more news, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe.